The perfect pizza and its unique dough. Welcome to my masterclass on how to make the perfect pizza at home. Today I want to show you not only the secrets of making delicious dough, but also give you a simple recipe and tips on how to create a real masterpiece. First, let's make the dough. Ingredients: 2 pizzas of 25 to 30 centimeters in diameter. 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of dry yeast, 1 cup of milk, 50 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Sift the flour to aerate the dough. Mix all the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Add the baking powder to the warm milk and pour it into the dry ingredients. Add the butter and the egg, mix and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix the ingredients until you have a homogeneous dough. Start kneading the dough until it is smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a bowl, cover with a towel or lid, and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours to increase the volume of the dough. To assemble and bake the pizza. Divide the dough into 2 pizzas. Roll out one part. I always do it with my hands because the dough is airy, and if I roll it out with a rolling pin the dough bubbles are broken. Immediately spread it out on a baking sheet because it will be difficult to move it later. The edges on the edge of the pizza, I make them more pronounced, so I like my children, but you can do it to your taste. You can and without edges. Let's leave the dough for a while and make the pizza sauce. You can use tomatoes, but I use tomato paste. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt and seasonings, oregano, dill and dried garlic and bring to a boil when the sauce starts to bubble, then the sauce is ready. Ingredients for the toppings: 300 grams of ham, 300 grams of mozzarella cheese, 2 tomatoes, garlic and spices for the sauce, mayonnaise, olives. Leave to cool slightly and spread the dough with the ready sauce. Cut the ham and put it on the flatbread, then thinly slice tomatoes, finely chopped ordinary mayonnaise and sprinkle with grated cheese. I have mozzarella, but you can use another. Send to the oven tray with pizza and bake at maximum temperature. I have it 240 and 8 to 10 minutes. And then change the temperature to 220 degrees for about 5 minutes. Our pizza is ready. I drizzle olive oil and grease the sides so that the pizza is shiny and juicy. I sprinkle it with oregano, but you can use others like marjoram or basil. Our pizza is ready. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. If you like this video and want to see more interesting content, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. It will be a great confirmation for us that our content is useful and interesting for you. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again. Additional tips. To make a thinner dough, you can reduce the amount of flour and shorten the fermentation time. Experiment with toppings to give your pizza a unique flavor. Try different cheeses, meats, vegetables, and sauces.